Emmo e-bikes, made for you. The street warriors, the trailblazers, the adventure makers, the risk takers, the thrill seekers. Wherever life takes you, Emmo gets you there. Built for your comfort, safety, and stability. Ride better and go farther with our Monta and eWild e-bikes. With the latest e-bike technology, developed, innovated, pioneered by us. We're Emmo. You've seen the name, you know who we are, and you love our e-bikes. They're beautiful, they're sleek, they're tough. For more than 10 years, we've been breaking down the barriers of what e-bikes can do, and we pave the way, others follow. Emmo, epic, like you.